Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an approved affiliate account and a working tracking link. This is essential. Once you have that URL, shorten or set up a redirect so it fits the short description space and looks trustworthy. While doing that, write 1 or 2 concise CTAs that fit the short's description and a pinned comment. This saves time when you upload. Make sure your affiliate terms and disclosure text are ready. Transparency prevents later takedowns or policy flags. You now upload the short and paste the affiliate link directly into the description near the top, because visibility matters for clicks. Once done, pin a public comment containing the same link plus a short disclosure like affiliate link so viewers see it easily on mobile. While the video plays, say a quick CTA and add brief on-screen text showing the link intent. This drives conversions and clarifies intent. Finally, check that the link opens correctly on mobile before publishing. You finish by double-checking the published short. Test the affiliate link on several devices and in-app browsers to ensure it resolves and tracks. Make sure the disclosure, "may earn commission," appears near the link and in the pinned comment to comply with platform and legal expectations. If the link is stripped or blocked, try a trusted redirect or short domain and contact both the affiliate program and platform support. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or test in incognito to replicate viewer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.